That motherfucker is going to be a fat-ass, nasty animal. The way this has been designed is, when Bub sat down and looked at it, he studied the eyes of a shark. And what he wanted to do is carry, more specifically, the eye of a tiger shark. So what he wanted to do is carry that forward into this design. So if you look from this angle forward, as you close this area in, so where the hood will now be down properly, and this will be up properly, you'll now start to see, right in here, that design come to life. That's the actual eye of the tiger shark right there. And that's how the design was, that's how Bub designed it. Bub made sure that all of the grill areas right here were open so that the distronic, the automatic braking worked properly. It wasn't shooting codes on the dash, because the sensors behind the dash, which are behind the grill, which typically sat here, were shooting against plastic. So this was all custom, completely custom designed so that it was open, so that all of the sensors worked, the distronic sensors worked and did what they were supposed to do. And again, from here, this is a very good shot. You can physically see the eye of the shark sitting right in here.
Morning.
But it's a nice, it'll look good at SEMA, man.